Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be reviewing this slime called Crystal Mud. It's from Mr. DIY. I feel like this slime was really attractive because of its metallic color, and yeah, as you can see. This slime was really satisfying because of its bubble pops and also how clicky it was overall. And now I'm adding in the glitters and seashells. The seashells was really pretty. It was like iridescent and the colors were unique and suitable for this slime. I think the slime was quite worth buying because it was only like 7 or 8 RM from Mr. DIY and JB, and I would totally recommend it if you're looking for a reasonably priced slime that is also decent in its texture and appearance. Thanks for watching till the end, and I hope you guys enjoy, and see you in my next video. Bye!